Oh man. As soon as I start recording, it stops. God damn it. It literally stopped as soon as I started recording. Shit. Yeah. Alright, yeah, this bloody roof leaks. Yeah, alright, well, yeah. Alright there, cat. It doesn't seem to want to focus. Ow. Right. Yeah, it's not even... It was pissing it down just a few moments ago. Seconds after I hit the record button. And it stops. This is so great. I mean, it's in the middle of summer as well, so it's like the middle of June. And it was really hot and sunny and cloudless skies not too long ago. And then this just suddenly looked like this. So, yeah. It suddenly popped, just it stopped as fast as it's, well, it stopped as suddenly as it started. Didn't it? Yeah. And why that's so overexposed on the white coat. Weird. Yeah, okay, well, it doesn't look like it's going to come down any heavier now. It is thundering, but there's no lightning. But, yeah. Can't really even see the rain, to be honest. Oh well. I thought I'd come outside and do another walking in the barefoot, or you were walking in the barefoot in the rain. But yeah, like I said, as soon as I started recording, it is a bit windy. It's nice and cool outside, but it's still really warm indoors. So it's kind of... Oh well. So yeah, I was going to do it, but yeah, I mean, it's wet, but it's not like hammering down as it was just a few moments ago. You can kind of hear the rumble of the thunder in the background there, kind of coming from over there. Well, no, if it pisses it down again, I'll have another go. Oh, there's the thunder. Neither of our cats like that, as I'm sure most animals don't, so I don't know how long it's going to be before this cat runs inside the house. Eh? Because of the thunder. I cannot get this to like properly focus or change the okay. Right. Here, a little close up of you. Yeah. Hello. Oh, he's a little fat one, this one. Yeah. Yeah, you are. Yes, you are. Yep. Too hot for his bed. Yeah. You want to come back in? You haven't been indoors all day. Like, I don't even think he's been fed yet. He's just been out here all morning. Yeah. Yeah. I really don't think he's eaten today. Oh well, I may as well go indoors. Because, I mean, it is kind of raining again, but yeah, again, you can't really see it. Camera just does not want to really pick it up very well. Oh, was that a flash of lightning? You sure you don't want to come in, cat? You're gonna want to. He's probably gonna want. Hey, both of our neighbours have builders in as well. So I don't think they're working in this weather now. Oh well. May as well skedaddle in. If it pisses it down again, I'll have another go. But yeah, this is. I mean, you can see the garden if you want to have a look. There's the house. Hey, look, solar panels. Which in this weather would normally be very, very helpful. Well, this season, I should say. So, yeah. And a little hut for the hedge pigs that we get during the summer. Got some cat food in there for some hedgehogs, who seem to come out this time. Often gets eaten by other cats who aren't invited, but there you go. Yeah, now this was very unexciting. Like literally as soon as I hit the record button, it stopped. I'm not even joking. I might have caught like 1 second of it, but yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go in now. He still does not seem to be bothered about the thunder, so yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna go in. So, there's a few puddles, but that was a very warm puddle. Actually, that's cold. That's warm. No. Yeah. It's definitely a bit windy. Oh, it's coming down again. Cat's still there. No, it's kind of coming down again. Yeah. It's less of a barefoot walk in the rain than it is just a standing in the rain. So it's a bit horrible. But yeah, it's actually coming down a bit heavier again. Ugh. So, yep. Of course, I'm not going to want to go back inside now because it's going to be warm inside. Ugh. Cat's still there. It is actually nice and chilly outside, but it's still super hot inside. And there's a bit more thunder. Oh. So yeah, it's still wet. Anyway, yeah, fuck it, I'll go in. I'm gonna go in. Ugh, probably gonna get cold now. Yeah. Oh, there we go. There's another walking barefoot in the rain, kind of. Even though the rain didn't really last very long. But yeah, oh god, I need to drop my phone. But yeah, I mean, I'm walking in it, so you know, as the title of the video is correct. So, oh Jesus! Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go in now.